Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a special get ready with me for Navratri. Navratri is all about colors, energy, dancing your heart out. So I thought why not get ready together and create this festive glam look. I was really confused about my hair, so I thought let me use this ribbon to tie my hair, and I did two side braids. I thought it will look cute, so yeah, I did it. This is how it was looking at the end, and let's now get ready for makeup. First, I'm starting with moisturizer because I want my skin to look flawless because there will be a lot of dancing and I need a very long lasting makeup. Then I'm going with a very light foundation. I want my base to be glowy but not too heavy, just blending everything nicely, and of course a little concealer to brighten my under eyes.
आई मेकअप सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है क्योंकि हमको चाहिए स्मूथली लुकिंग आइज। ओके, स्मूथली लुकिंग आइज के लिए हम यूज करेंगे कंसील और आई शैडो दोनों।
Now for the cheeks, I'm adding a peachy blush to give that fresh festive glow. For lips, I'm going bold with a bright shade, perfect for the festive vibe. You can go with red, pink, or even coral depending on your outfit. No festive look is complete without a bindi. I'm adding these small bindis to make the outfit and myself look even more prettier. And that's my Navratri Get Ready With Me look. I hope you enjoyed getting ready with me. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more such videos. And I'm also going to show you my outfit for the Garba night. Wishing you all a very happy and colorful Navratri. Love you all.